In this tutorial, we're going to be modifying our player controller that you learned how to make in previous tutorials, so it can account for run speed when the player is jumping. This is a pretty simple fix, so what we're going to do is just take a look over here at the player speed. Whatever you have set up for your run key, in my case I have it as a get key down using left shift, but it's a pretty straightforward process on how to modify whatever action you're using. So taking note of this left shift for our run, I'm going to come over here to our player movement, and while we're in the jump state, and I'm going to be putting in a get key action. Now this get key is going to be looking for left shift, and it's going to be storing whether or not we're pressing it. A new variable we'll call is running. This will be checking every frame. And then we're going to have a convert bool to float. So we're going to have this bool value is running, and depending on whether or not it's true or false, it'll change a new variable that we'll set as max speed. So if that value is false, it'll be 2 because that is the speed that the player walks at. And if it's true, it's going to be 5 because that's the speed that the player is running at. And this is also going to be checking every frame. So this bool will get changed within the same state whether or not this left shift is pressed. And then down here in our max speed, we'll set this as our variable max speed. So now if you play your game, your controller should be able to walk and jump, and that's about the right speed, right? They're moving about the same speed. But if you're running, and then jump, their speed is inherited through their jump.
Be sure to check out our other videos to learn all the various features of Playmaker. Links to more learning resources are in the description.